Good afternoon, everybody. It's Scott Gillen with ShadowTrader SquawkBox short videos. Today, I'd like to take a look at Micron Technologies. Big push up today after a consolidation yesterday, push up back on Monday. To me, this is overdone, overbought. On a Fibonacci retracement, you can see from this low in February to the high in March, back to another low in late February. We've got a 161.8. That's 161.8 fib extension. That puts me into a situation where it looks like we're overbought. Option market out to the 12th of April is looking for plus or minus about $7 to the upside and downside. So I've got 134 to the upside and 120 to the downside. That's what this box is. Looking at some indicators. Relative strength index, well overbought and starting to trail back down towards neutral. Moving average convergence divergence, flattening out. Trend looks like it may be starting to slip to the downside. Very far away from the 8 and the 20 exponential moving averages, thus leading into my too far, too fast type of situation for a credit trade. Here's what I'm looking at. On the credit trade, going about $4 out away from where it's sitting now, sell the 131 call. That's a lot of risk. Well, cap that risk off at 136. So I've got $5 of risk. I'm going to pick up about $114 of credit on that, leaving my total maximum risk at $3.85 or $385. Not bad. How do I manage this trade? Let's take a look. Trade's got about a 69% probability of any profit. At the 131 level, we could close the trade off from now until expiration for any profit. Maybe 50 cents, maybe 60 cents out of this 114. Wash our hands, do this all over again. Secondary exit. If we start to climb, well above the 130, go to 131 and keep on climbing, we could buy 100 shares of Micron when it crosses something like 131.50. Use the 131 short call as our covered call, and then use the 136 as our add-on to sell towards expiration to make up for the $50 loss on our equity and short call. So there you have it. A 131, 136 bear call, credit around 115 with about a 70% probability of success. Hi there, I'm Scott Gillen from the ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and if you'd like to trade with me live every day in real time, check out ShadowTrader SquawkBox at shadowtrader.net/squawk or at the link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.